you have so many hormones in pregnancy that affect your emotional centers of your brain. It's very common to get feelings of depression, inadequacy, crying frequently, a lot of the symptoms of depression. So the question is it postpartum depression or not? For me, there's two things. There's what we call baby blues. When a mom gets home with her baby, the baby's up every 3 hours wanting to feed. Moms don't get a lot of sleep. They have the hormones of the progesterone hormone still there. And so they have a lot of emotions and they cry easily and are frustrated easily. That usually will only last about 6 weeks as a baby starts to get into routines and moms can now start to get some sleep. If those feelings of not wanting to do anything, crying frequently, especially if they want to hurt themselves or the baby, if they have any of those thoughts or feelings, it may be tipping over into actually depression that needs to be evaluated by their provider. But feelings of fatigue, crying, a lot of emotional ups and downs, those can be very common. Simple things they can do is let some things go. In those first 6 weeks, just focus on your baby and maybe your other children if you have other children at home. Don't worry about cleaning the house. Don't worry about cleaning the dishes. Ask people to help do those so that they can take some of the pressure off of them. And as a baby's trying to get into routines, it's because, again, as you're having those emotions, the progesterone and those hormones of the postpartum period will intensify those emotions. So if you're frustrated about the dishes not being done, if you're frustrated about the vacuuming not being done, the bed's not being made, and you're getting overwhelmed by that, that leads a lot to the feelings of depression. And so looking at those things and asking for help and not being superwoman in that 6 week time goes a long way to help those feelings. But if you're not getting out of bed, you're not taking care of the baby, you want to hurt the baby, you want to hurt yourself, you're not functioning, you probably may be tipping over into depression and needs to be treated.